Hello all, welcome to DIY series with Dr. Gauri. So we first of all wish you all a happy Dashera, and we'll wait for a couple of people to join in. So once people have joined, we will start with our DIY. So today we are going to discuss about rose powder in a skincare. Okay, so let's wait for the people to join in and then we begin. Hello Herbs by Ceylon. Hi Reshma Puri. Nice to see you all. Yeah, so let's start. Now, so what I'm doing is I'm going to show you three natural remedies. So the first one is anti-aging face mask. Okay, so I'm taking a tablespoon of rose powder in which I'm adding half a teaspoon of kaolin clay and to which I'm going to add coconut water. Okay, so I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coconut water. So as we know, kaolin rose powder is rich in anti-aging, means it has a powerful antioxidants, so it helps to slow down the aging process. Also, the regular application of this will help to tighten the skin and delay with the fine lines and wrinkles. Okay, so just mix it well. So you may need little more amount of coconut water, so I'm just adding a tablespoon of it. Don't add too much at a time, always add little by little. Okay, so mix it very well and let it sit for about 5 minutes, so it will get activated. Vitamin C, it is very rose petal powder is rich in vitamin C also, so it will help for collagen production and it will also help to lighten the blemishes and it helps to calm and soothing for the skin. It is very soothing for the skin. So here our face mask is ready. This is a anti-aging face mask. Okay, so once you make it, keep it aside for 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you can apply it all over your face and your neck region. Keep it for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you can rinse it off. So this was our first anti-aging face mask with rose petals powder. The second one what I'm going to show is for oily and acne prone skin. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm taking a tablespoon of rose petal powder to which I'm going to add sandalwood powder, about half a teaspoon, and to which we will add rose water. Okay, so add rose water little by little. So first I'm adding like a 1 tablespoon. So let's mix this well. Okay, so this will help to draw excess oil from the skin, but it will not rip off the oil. Okay, so it's excellent. It will help to calm your acne also. See, we will need more. Okay, so always add small amount at a time. So mix it very well and then you can apply. So again leave it for about 5 minutes and then you apply it on the face, and once you apply it on the face and neck region, keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, once it dries up, you can wet your fingers in water, gently massage it, and then you can rinse it off. So post rinsing, don't forget to apply a toner. You can use rose water as well. Just apply rose water on your face and then you apply your favorite moisturizer. Okay, so this is a second easy DIY. So this is a third one. So rose powder will act like a natural cleanser and an exfoliator. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm taking about 2 tablespoons of rose petals powder, to which I'm going to add masoor dal ka powder. Okay, so about 2 tablespoons of it. So this will, masoor dal will act like an exfoliator. Okay, so I'm adding that, and to this we will add a tablespoon of kaolin clay. Okay, just mix this together. Okay, mix it together, and then what you can do, you can store it in a bottle. Okay, and daily when you're going to wash your face, just take a small amount of this powder, add few drops of water, apply it gently all over your face and your neck, and then just rinse it off. So this is your daily cleanser. Okay, yeah, thank you. Wish you all again a happy Dashera, and hope you have enjoyed today's session. So there were 3 easy recipes which were discussed. So one was the anti-aging face mask with rose petals powder. Second one was for oily and acne prone skin, and the third one, this you are going to make a dry powder. Okay, mix it all mix it well, and then you put it in a glass jar. And what clay is this? This is kaolin clay. So mix it well, and then you store it in a glass jar, and make sure it is airtight and no water goes in. Okay, so try this easy remedies, and next Friday I'll come up with a new easy DIY recipes. So till then, stay blessed, and see you all next week. Wish you once again a happy Dashera. Take care. Thank you.